Have you ever wondered about the magic that unfolds when Thanksgiving comes around? It's a time of year that's filled with warmth, togetherness, and of course, an abundance of delicious food. Picture the scene. The kitchen is a flurry of activity, a symphony of sights, sounds, and smells that culminate in a Thanksgiving dinner to remember. The tantalizing aroma of a roasting turkey, the sweet scent of pumpkin pie, the savory notes of stuffing. All of these contribute to a feast that delights the senses. And at the heart of it all, the family, gathered around the chopping board, stirring pots and sharing stories. The kitchen becomes a hub of activity, a place where bonds are formed and strengthened, a place where love is expressed through the act of preparing a meal together. As everyone gathers around the table, there's a palpable sense of gratitude in the air. Each dish, from the succulent turkey to the creamy mashed potatoes, is a testament to the culinary traditions that have been passed down through generations. And each bite is savored, appreciated, enjoyed. But Thanksgiving dinner isn't just about the food. It's about the memories created, the stories shared, the laughter that fills the room. It's about the love that's reaffirmed as everyone comes together to celebrate this special occasion. And of course, what's Thanksgiving without the dessert? The delicious pumpkin pie, with its smooth custard filling and buttery crust, is the perfect ending to a perfect feast. As the meal comes to an end, there's a moment of reflection. A moment to express gratitude for the family, the friends, the home, and the abundance that surrounds us. Thanksgiving, after all, is a celebration of gratitude, a reminder of the simple pleasures in life. So, this Thanksgiving, raise a glass to the magic of the season, to the warmth of home, the love of family, and the joy of sharing a meal together. Here's to creating memories, sharing stories, and expressing gratitude. Here's to Thanksgiving, a celebration of togetherness and abundance. Happy Thanksgiving.